Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
So in this video, I will teach you how you can allow cookies on your iPhone. Most of the iPhone users use Safari for all the browsing, but you can also download Google Chrome and Google from your App Store. I will teach you how you can do that for both these apps. So all you have to do here is first open your setting, and in setting look for the app Safari. Now scroll down and look for Safari. Here you can see Safari, open Safari. Now in Safari scroll down and look for privacy and security. Here in privacy and security you can see the option prevent cross-site tracking. Here most people don't know what cookies are. They only go to a website or site where they says please enable cookies, so they always says that enable cookie, but they don't know what enabling cookies are. So here the cross-site tracking is basically what cookies do. For example, if we talk about the Facebook advertisement, for explaining you guys what cookies are. When you see any item, any purse or any shoe or any website, any page other than Facebook, and later on Facebook show the advertisement of that frock or purse or shoe, and you be like, what is going on? So this is what Facebook use cross-tracking technique. This is what cookies are. They are basically the thing through which you can do the cross-site tracking. So here you can see that we have prevented our cross-site tracking. You can enable that. You can enable cookies here by turning this off, and if you want to block the cookies here, you can simply turn this on where this says that prevent cross-site tracking. This means that cookies will not be enabled. So by turning this off, cookie will be enabled, and vice versa for blocking the cookies. Here I'm enabling cookies by turning this off again. Now scroll and look for Chrome. Here you can also scroll and you can also research that. For researching, go to the top, and in the top you can see the research icon there. Then research there Chrome. As I'm researching here Chrome, now you can see Chrome here. Now here look that they don't have enabling or disabling cookies or third-party cookies like Android phones or Samsung phones. So if you don't find these options enabling or disabling cookies in your Chrome or browser, so don't confuse, just relax and look for cross website tracking. So here you can see that. Here you can see allow cross website tracking. You can allow cookies by turning this on, and you can block cookies by turning this off. This is a process followed for both enabling and disabling cookies, and that was all you have to do on the Chrome for enabling it. Now I'm researching for Google. Now here you can see that I'm researching here Google. Now I have opened my Google. In Google you can't see this enabling or disabling option. You can only do that for Chrome and Safari. And that was all about enabling or disabling cookies on your iPhone for both the Chrome and the Safari.
If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.